The COVID-19 pandemic has undoubtedly made its impact felt in our lives. The fear and negative thoughts that go with the pandemic have engulfed us. I, too, a young educator, have been stricken by fear. Despite the need to have mental fortitude, the thought that I won't be able to do enough to uphold the most important facets of education creeps into my system. The apprehension, trepidation, and anxiety brought forth by these times of uncertainty are trying to conquer me. But as I gradually resolve my fear of the new normal's obstacles, I want to remain steadfast so I could bring light to students who are losing their drive to continue learning, dreaming, and persisting. It is my greatest vision. Thanks to the opportunity offered by this pageant, that I will be able to reach out to our youth, especially the students, and help them see the bright side in spite of the crisis.
This is Ronan Legaspi Mendoza, representing for Biscondo.